Hey guys, I have a product here from a company called RadishGirls, and this product has an odd name. They're calling it a door stopper. Comes in this envelope, and there's the label with some more information on it. I'm going to get this open and we're going to take a closer look at it. So what's included in the package is the door stop. You have 2 M-lok fasteners and the wrench for installation. Okay, so let's take a closer look at this product. So it is machined from a single piece of aluminum alloy, and like I had mentioned before, it does attach to an M-lok slot. Actually a couple of slots. Have like a recoil lug here. There's a black oxide finish, nicely machined, and some nice texturing on here. Really good finish. So pretty much what this is a hand stop mounted to your Picatinny rail. And I actually have something very similar to this on an AR pistol, and I use it to prevent my hand from slipping out in front of the barrel because it's such a short barrel. But that's pretty much what that's for. Alright, so I have it installed on an M-lok handguard, and very simple to install, just took a few seconds. Like I had mentioned before, I have something very similar on an AR pistol. Keeps my hand from slipping out in front of the barrel. It's comfortable to put it in between your fingers like this. Another good use for this item here is if you shoot competitive sports and you use barricades, you can put this up against the barricade to get you more stable. Handy little item to have. Great accessory for any firearm with an M-lok rail. It's a good looking product. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Just a real quick look at the RadishGirls door stopper. And if you guys are interested in checking this product out, you'll find links down below. So that's all I got for you today. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you later.